In this maths tutorial, we are simplifying this said expression. Now, we just need to make sure that we write this denominator starting with 2, like that, all right, so that we won't have any problems. Now, we are going to have 5, 2 plus 3 root a. Now, we are going to say that's minus 5. Then on this one, we just take out a negative here so that we have 2 written in that way, in that order, and then followed by 3 root a. So we're going to take a negative out there. Then we're going to have 2 minus 3 root a. It is the same thing. It is the same thing. I haven't changed anything there. All right. But now this negative is going to divide with that negative. You're going to get a positive on that. All right, so we're going to have 5 divided by 2 plus 3 root a, then 5, 2 minus 3 root a. Now we have our lowest common denominator on that, and the lowest common denominator is actually the product of this and that. So we're going to have 2 plus 3 root a and 2 minus 3 root a. All right, so we are going to divide this into that. We get that. Then we multiply that by 5. So we are going to have 5, 2 minus 3 root a, plus we divide that into that. We get that. So we are going to have 5 into 2 plus 3 root a. All right, now we're going to simplify what we have on this top part. But before we do that, we realize something here. We've got a difference of 2 squares on this part. You remember we say a minus b multiplied by a plus b. This gives us a squared minus b squared. So we are just going to use this difference of 2 squares to evaluate this part. So we are going to have, if we expand what is on top, we are going to have 10 minus 15 root a plus 10 plus 15 root a. And on the bottom part, we are going to use that. So we are going to have 2 squared minus 3 root a. We square that. Right, now let's simplify the numerator. We are going to have 10 plus 10. That is going to give us a 20. And this is going to subtract with that, and we get a 0 for that. Now we just need to simplify the denominator. We are going to have 4 minus 9a. Then this is the final answer. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.